Ready to sell products on your Webador website? Let's walk through how to create a product and display it on your site using the product and product gallery elements. Step 1. Create your product. First, open the Webador editor and go to the Store tab. Click on Products. Then click Add Product. Now fill in your product details. Enter a name for your product. Add a short and clear description. Select your product type. Make sure to choose your shipping options. Upload one or more photos to show the product you're selling. Set your price, and if you're offering a discount, enter a promotional price. Add your inventory. If your product comes in different versions, like sizes, colors, or styles, click on Add Variant and create these here. When everything looks good, click Save. Step 2. Add the product to your page. To feature a single product, drag the product element from the left panel and drop it onto your page. Click Choose Product, then select the product you just created. That's it, the product is now live on your site. Step 3. Display multiple products in a gallery. Drag and drop the product gallery onto your page. Click Choose Products, then either add existing products from your store or create new ones right here. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save. You can customize your product gallery. To do this, click on Settings. Here you can change how many products appear per page, adjust the sorting and filters. You can also adjust the layout to match your site's design. Here you can change the style, size, and alignment. And that's it. Your online store is up and running, making it easy for your visitors to browse and shop.